The Microsoft Teams is designed to get people to work more effectively together. But if you want to disable Microsoft Teams from using media keys, since it is not at all necessary for the application to be using them, follow the select steps that we would show you in this video. Now just take note that usually, the problem is not with Microsoft Teams by itself, but most likely, it is the browser that is inside the Microsoft Teams, such as the Microsoft Edge or the Google Chrome. Now for Microsoft Edge, you have to open the browser, copy the following path in the address bar, and then press Enter. Now in the highlighted text, select Disable from the options and click Restart to apply. While for Google Chrome, do the same thing by opening it, copy the following path in the address bar, and then press Enter. In the option Hardware Media Key Handling, choose Disable from the drop-down menu, and then click on Restart to apply the changes. After doing all of those, your problem should be resolved. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.